Updating your legal name on AliPay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Open the AliPay app. Launch the AliPay app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the necessary features. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once in the app, locate the Me or Profile section, usually found at the bottom right corner. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select personal information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use ASRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Edit your name. Find the field that displays your current legal name. Tap on it to edit and enter your new legal name as required. Ensure that the name matches your official identification documents. Step 5. Submit changes. After entering your new name, look for a Save or Submit button. Tap it to finalize the changes. You may receive a confirmation message once your name has been successfully updated. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name should be updated on AliPay. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to AliPay customer support for assistance.